Hola, amigos. Welcome to our fun and exciting journey into the world of Spanish. Today, we'll learn some basic words and phrases to get started.
Are you ready?
Vamos.
Let's go. Greetings.
Hello. Hola. Goodbye, adios. Please, por favor. Thank you, gracias. Excúseme, perdón. Good morning, buenos días. Good afternoon, buenas tardes. Good night, buenas noches.
How are you?
¿Cómo estás? Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto.
Numbers.
1, 2, 2. 3, 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. Colors. Red, rojo. Blue, azul. Yellow, amarillo. Green, verde. Orange, naranja. Purple, morado. Pink, rosa. Brown, marrón. Black, negro. White, blanco. Animals. Dog, perro. Cat, gato. Fish, pez. Bird, pájaro. Elephant, elefante. Lion, león. Monkey, mono. Tiger, tigre. Turtle, tortuga. Frog, rana. Great job, amigos. You've just started your journey into the beautiful Spanish language. Keep practicing these words, and soon you'll be a pro. Adios, until next time. Don't miss out. Jare with your amigos, and let's spread the joy of learning together.